Check. Yo, yo. What's up, YouTube? What's up, TikTok? Hope you guys are well. What's good? What's good? What's good? All right, man. Sick. Let's get it. Pre-London into London. We're doing a bit of pre-London and then potentially a bit of London. For sure. What's this podcast about? Fuck, man. From Romania. Greetings. What's up, you guys? So, gonna have a quick look here. Let's have a look at I just want to do a real quick top down on gold, just get a quick overview of where we're at on gold, and then we can start looking at trading. Yo, yo, what's up, Jack? Real quick look here. You know, weird bearish daily. Oh, the daily kind of failed to break out of this daily range. So it's failed and broke back into the range. Today we've been moving down, so 4 hour coming down, potentially some support here on the 4 hour for either a continuation down or a bounce back up, who fucking knows. What up, Vicky Banks? 1 hour, we've been stuck in this consolidation range here, so hopefully we get a good breakout and we can be a part of that. 30 minute, there's going to be no analysis that can be done on the 30 minute, the 15 or the 1 hour. This is the analysis, you guys, get ready. We're right here. We're just in a fucking box right now. We're boxed up, my G's. We are boxed up. I'm telling you something right now. I think it's bad news to take a trade in this range here. What do you reckon? What do you think about that? I think it's bad news to take a trade in here. Considered using volume indicators alongside? Nah. I've considered everything and I choose to just do what I do here. Yo, BPC, what's up, my G? Squared up, square up, G. BP in the building. Buy or sell, bro. Bro. Barcode strat, yeah. I don't want to be involved in there at all. I don't want to be involved in that box mouth. You'll get knocked out, box mouth. So let's have a look. Let's just mark these levels here. Have a look at. I mean, I'm just gonna have a look at oil. I don't want to do too much, but I'm just gonna look at it. Yeah, I don't like it instantly. And NQ. Let's have a look at NQ. NQ's got more potential than it. I'm just gonna put this level here. I don't know if I'll do anything. I'm mainly just gonna be concerned with gold. Have a look at silver. Yeah, I don't even care about silver. All right, man. So this is kind of like some of the levels. Check, check. Sideways now, yes. But sideways is good if you're a breakout trader. Sideways is good. I'm a breakout boy, because usually the longer the build up of consolidation, the bigger the breakout. What up, Ashwagandha? Are you only trading breakout strats? I'm trading just price action strat. What is your type 2 setup? I'll tell you if we see it. Guys, can you imagine we see each other next week? I know, it's insane. Yeah, you guys, I've got a Bali traders retreat with a bunch of my mentorship cats and catettes. We've got a massive villa booked out for everyone, so we've got people flying in from all over the world. Mr. Worldwide. Are you out of Dubai? Yeah, I'm not in Dubai. New thumb, who's this? Yeah, I need to touch it up badly, but I was running out of time. New thumb strat. Yo, I got $3.45. FX Dano Raid love from Kerala. I love you. Thank you for that $3. I'm gonna need it for my next eval. Yep. But yeah, good to see you guys just here on pre-London. What the frick is FX Dano Raid? Oh, look, multiple people are saying this. Let me Google this. What the hell is FX? This, someone said something about it. Yo, I'm actually tripping out. Let me Google something. Who's FX? Whatever it is. I'm an island boy. I think it's this guy. Oh, another one left and shouted me out. Okay, W. If it's this guy, that's sick. Oh, look, he's talking about Wickfills here. Nice. Is it this guy? If it is, oh, follow back. Yeah, it must be. Here, I'll follow him back. Dub. All right, cool. Wow, of course someone says scammer. It's about that dude. Yeah, man. So, wow, the gold's really kind of stuck here. I really want to kind of get a break out of this range. Would love that. What time frame you use for entry? Probably the 15 minute. Yeah. Love from India. What up, what up, what up? Ashwagandha in the build. Hey, you guys, look at my account here. It's at $71,000. I started this at $5,000 in November. The goal is to flip 5,000 into fucking 100,000, and we're at 71,000. Yo, FX Daneo, appreciate it, brother. I just dropped you a follow back on Insta there. Let's get it, my dude. Let's get it. When are you in Bali? I'm right now, Thailand. I'm in Bali till 20th. Yeah, withdraw a quick $100. Will you show us price action strat? Yes, sir. Mainly looking at gold here today, and you know, it's pretty obvious we've been consolidating, so I really want to get out of this range to potentially take a trade. Who's trying to potentially sell NQ? Let me bring up, sometimes, even though I'm banned from Top Step, sometimes I like to bring up the Project X because it's easy to look at, because I can still access my locked account, but it's good to bring up Project X to watch NQ. Missy bro, come to Dubai, let's get a coffee. Yeah, I wouldn't mind going back to Dubai just once it chills out more. What are your thoughts on trading high time frame breakouts, price action? Yeah, if you can, trading higher time frame breakouts and shit like that is dope, for sure. If you can read price action well, Dubai can prison anyone for videos of the skies. I know, bro. I'm also scared about that because like I obviously did film the sky, which is like just, yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do, bro. Mr. Rolex, yo. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, here we go. Look, this is NQ on my band Top Step account. Okay, it doesn't look very interesting now that I see it here. Why they banned you from Top Step? I don't know, because they're lame. I made money and then they said I hedged, which was just complete false accusation. I tried your strat on, a couple evals, switched up a bit, looking at the 1 minute when, I mean, that's not my strat then. It's like me saying, hey bro, I tried your strat on fucking gold, but I used the solar system indicator. Doo-doo PETA today, legit bro. Mitch, where are you at in Bali? Are you in Semsak now? Semsak. Why did you choose this broker? Because it's got MT5. Look on the Discord free chat. Okay, let's have a quick look in the Discord free chat. Then you have a look. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Oh, we were all looking at this. So we were on stream when this happened, the private mentorship stream. and we didn't take this because who knows why this might not be a good trade. Who has some analysis on this, why this would, as a breakout? So the idea was like break below this structure here. It retraced and then broke the low. Who knows why this failed here? Who knows why this might have failed here? Yep. I can see names in the chat that I know are in the mentorship side. I don't want to say it, but yeah, exactly what these guys are saying. Too overextended. So we were on a private mentorship stream when this happened, and we all stood down because of that fact. Like, it's just too overextended by that point. Very complicated, always reason for a loss. I want to purchase. Yeah, but the thing is, you're purchasing courses and shit. I don't really, like, obviously I have a course technically, but the course is only ever going to get you so far. Like, you're going to need mentorship potentially, meaning you have like the person that's actually created the course guiding you along the journey. That's what I do. If you want to submit an application, just go to danielholmestrades.com and submit an application. We'll look at it. Doesn't mean that like we'll go ahead with it, but it'll be worth having a look at. Oh, nice, Mitch. Sick. Not long now, man. It's going to be so good. I love all your comments when it comes to trading. Really admire that. Yeah, man, just pretend. One of the best ways to be calm in trading is to pretend, like force yourself to be calm, and then eventually you become. Bro, Chai, when you... Oh, being in the chat on the stream is so good. You can just do whatever you want. I heard a trader today that a monthly salary to live in Bali is $3. Yeah, but Bali's really cheap, man. Bali's actually really cheap, my G. Your strat has been the best so far. It's only my emotions let me down. Yeah, I mean, I say this to all the guys, like people in general, is at some point as a technical trader, you're going to get there pretty quick. Like, it's not that difficult if you're a price action trader to get your technicals on point relatively quick. And I say relatively quick in the grand schemes of trading, which could be months, I don't know. But then you get to a point where it's okay, but now it's me versus me to a degree. And then that's your personal journey that you need to go on in order to adjust and make the amendments needed to really balance it all out. Because here's the thing, like, you know, I was watching, I was on TikTok or something today, and there was like some young Asian dude, and he's like, you know, he got like a 50K top step account. He's like road to $1 million, and he put like 116,000 on the account in 4 days, and then blew it all on the 5th day. And you go, okay, why did that happen? It's not strategy, right? No, it's individual. So like, your ability to control that individuality is, your individual emotions, I mean, is massive. Some young. Yeah, I don't know why I had to reference that he was Asian, but yeah, I've taken trades. Nah, Ashwagandha, I literally just brought up your trade on stream, asked the chat what they thought, and then we spoke about it in real time. Like, if you can't hear that, that's just crazy. Look at my analysis in the Discord, please. Okay, let's have a look at your analysis in the Discord. Is it this one? Hey guys, can anyone confirm or deny if this is a good trade? One thing that worries me is a green candle, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it's not the worst, not too bad. Yeah. I don't know if I'd be in it, but not too bad. LARP Maxine. Ashwagandha caps lock Maxine. Bro's Jester Maxine. Bro, what does Jester Maxine mean again? Oh, fuck. Bro's Jester Maxine. 100k demo account, 16k profit. Is that right time to jump in a real account? Yes. Yep. Jump in, my G. Bro's Jester Maxine. Can we get a freaking bit of volume here, Gold? I was just getting excited and I'm like, maybe we can actually start breaking out here in London. This is technically London Open in 4 minutes. Tanzania boy. Tanzania. But yeah, man, look at this account, bro. Nearly up to, I'm getting closer to 100k, my G. I just realized this is technically 100k Australian dollars. What's your favorite session? Just all of them. Yeah, just all of them. Oh, my camera's dropping. It's annoying. Tanzania maxing. So when a person is sitting in trading right and no setup visible, I mean, take 30-minute opportunity. So in that time, person watching reels. So did you use that in your own journey? That's such a fucking funny way to say a thing. Yeah, I don't even fucking know, bro. Just do everything. Brain rot question. So when person's sitting there, person watch reels. Oh, did you, Jack? Yeah, the Book of Enoch. Nice, nice. Yeah, welcome to the club, my man. I went out from a sell position, price much volatile. I mean, what volatility are you looking at, my G? I feel like we're just stuck. Since so much, since so little. Yeah. Yeah, NQ's Wick Central. What's the Book of Enoch? Oh, it's a I mean, it's a book that was found in a scroll in the within the findings of the Dead Sea Scrolls, which is tied to the Bible. It's actually in the, it could be argued that it should be in the Bible, but there was much debate about it, and it's maybe a bit too out there to be put in the actual Bible, but it's in the Ethiopian Bible. They kept it in. But yeah, it was a scroll that was found in the Dead Sea Scrolls. And it's crazy. It's about like fallen angels, like giants mating with humans, and it's wild. It's a wild story. Yeah, bro, man. Whole picture. Bro, I reached a proper target on 25k on my consistency, but I was off by 2% after. I mean, 2% is a lot. I haven't hit a trade. Is it important to keep a buffer for payouts? It depends. It just depends, man, what your plans are. Yeah, it depends what your plans are with the account. Yeah, Enoch's crazy in the Lord of the Rings. I recently asked ChatGPT if I was close to a place. Oh, since I live close to a place that changes car tires. Wait, what? Sylvia, your car's tires flat. Yeah, what the fuck? I'm so confused. Sylvia's turned into a bot. Yo, Big Will, what's good? Come on, volatility. Alright, here's London. Goliath was the only giant the Bible mentioned. Yeah, but, oh yeah, Dave, yeah, because they didn't keep the Enoch in the Bible. Allison, what's happening? Daniel, sir, too much losses. Can you manage my account? What do I get out of that? And what if I blow your whole account? Then what are you going to do? What's the most common mistake people make in your mentorship? Like most common correct mistake? Oh, mistake. Fuck, you guys need to start talking English. Most common, correcting that mistake makes them profitable. No, so here's the thing. There's plenty of common mistakes on a technical level, but a common mistake isn't going to be the factor of whether you're profitable or not. Like profitability is a daily act. No one's profitable. People just act profitable every day. So I could tell you, if you want to know any like technical common mistakes, I can tell you that, but yo, what's good, Faith Trades? Good to see you in the chat, my G. Yeah, I couldn't tell you why you're taking losses on 15. Yo, good to see you, Moodgy. Nah, I appreciate you, brother. Long hair, long dick. Long hair, long dick. I had to change my winter tires to summer ones, and that just shows you can get things wrong sometimes because it said it's better to walk there than. Yeah, I don't know if I'm getting trolled today or what's going on. I don't know what's going on. Yo, what's good, Bluey? If you rotate the silence 90 degrees, it starts sounding like footsteps. Bro, what's going on? Sorry guys, I literally have to take this off for a quick sec. Who likes my house? But yeah, sorry, I have to take this off. I just need to do one thing quickly. Sorry about that. All right, man. Missing the soundboard, so am I, bro. So we really want to get out of this range on gold, obviously. It's been annoying. How do I access your mentorship? You have to go through a series of riddles that span over 16 months. Hey, Hodge, what are you saying there? We now have hedging alerts on Top Step so we can check for them so we can... Really? Is that a thing? Because I brought up my chart before and there was some hedging thing and I clicked out of it and I was like, wait, what did that just say about hedging? So they know it's a fucking mistake then. If they're acknowledging it as a mistake, give me my freaking account back. You dogs. Can you do a top-down analysis on gold? Yeah, it's pretty simple because the thing why it's not going to be interesting if I do a top-down, check this out. This is like literally what my analysis is. Okay, dailies, whatever. 4 hour, you could say it's either like going to be a support or support for a continuation down because you got clean traffic to the left, or support for a bounce off. And then when you go to the 1 hour, you just go consolidation, 30-minute consolidation, 15 consolidation. That's it. So really, I'm just looking at this as a box. I'm just trying to get out of this box. All right, that's all I'm doing. Literally trying to get out of this box here. So if we can get out of this box, I'm happy. Yeah, sign a petition. I'm down for that. My idea is gold, first sleep, Asia, quiddity. I mean, the thing is, Vinja, Vimurari, Marja, is you shouldn't be just using one time frame to trade. In my opinion, if you're price action trading, you should be looking to kind of use them all in conjunction to make a trade idea. I'm never like, oh man, there's no trade set up on the 30-minute. It's always like, you got to use them all to build the trade idea. Yeah, you guys know Moodgy from the Brisbane meetup. Does anyone know how to put text on MT5? It says description here. I put it here, but nothing comes up. In the Beninging. In the Beninging. Text is black. Oh, look, it should be like this white color. That just changed the color of the line, actually. Which broker you use? I'm using Dominion Markets, the lowest latency and spread in the industry. Come on, gold, push, little baby. "15-minute time frame." to mark support and resistance, JCF, NFT. How to close 80% on MT5. You just right click this level when you're in a trade. See it says modify or delete. Which prop firm you trade with? Apex and Alpha and shit. Approaching this level. Do you watch Correlation? No, not at all. No. Does Raja own Dominion? Yes. Raja Banks. Hello people, this is Omer Raja from Pipstone Capital. So you know, we have Daniel Holmes all the way from Australia. Did a podcast with Omer Raja. Yo, bro, Dubai is attacked again, really? Yeah, Dubai, yeah, I don't know anything, yeah, whatever. Three minutes, can we break out in 3 minutes? Can we literally do it? Omer Raja into the first impressions. Oh. Selamat saying, wait, what? Dubai's besides the stuff in Dubai right now, would you rather stay in Bali or would you go back to live in Dubai? Bro, if it was up to me, I would live not in Dubai. Yeah, definitely not. Dubai's good. I was speaking about last night because there's people here from Dubai as well. And like Dubai's got zero tax, networking opportunities. From the outside perspective, it looks good looking in. That's about it. Food's trash, it's way too expensive. It's not, there's that sense of freedom in Bali. I just feel free. You can just go and do things. I can go buy some fucking fireworks and just, I can just let some fireworks off if I want. Bro, do you think about 1 million trade from Raja? What do you think about it? I think he should give me some of that money. Yeah. Hello people, this is Omer. We're gonna, you know what, Mara? We're getting a trade here. We're getting a breakout. If it's the last thing I do, we are getting a breakout trade here. If it's the last thing I do. But in Dubai, if you record a rocket, you go to jail. I know it's bullshit, bro. It's so twisted, man. Nah, the thing is, Hunter has to work. He actually works for Wayon, so he's got to he can't just kind of leave. Daniel and Raja Bank, my favorite. Does anyone know where one of Raja's bank is? We should trade India session. Come to Romania, a lot of beautiful girls waiting for you. Prove it. Yeah, it's hard. I mean, there's a few of the guys coming here in Bali on the traders retreat. That's the first time they've ever really traveled like this. There's a couple of the guys where me and Sylvia are well traveled. Raja and your strategies are the same. Take that back! How dare you? There's only... Nice. Prop firm? Soon. There's things that are taking ages, but it's mainly on my end. Because I'm just not getting it done. But yeah, it should be epic. UAE's gone, bro. You with Top Step still? No, I'm not. They're banned. They blocked. Like, I've got the account. I still use their account to like view the market. But I can't take a trade. Look, let me try and take a trade. No, I don't even have the option if I can take a trade anymore. Please let me trade. I promise you can scare me again. Do you think prop firms will get banned one day? Nah. They're not doing anything wrong. What's your daily living expenses in Bali? So low, bro. I just like wake up, go get... I mean, if you want to just be a normal person, like you could literally just wake up, go get breakfast for like $7 Australian and a coffee. Coffee's like more expensive than the fucking breakfast nearly. And then just do whatever you want. Yeah, life's good. You can do whatever you want. Super cheap. There's areas where it's like way cheaper than that as well. Yeah, probably Thai. Dominion markets, no. Daniel markets. Job you love, my dudes. Strategy long video upload. Look at my channel. There is lots of strategy long uploads. I've got the longest uploads in the industry. Long hair, long dick. Villa name you're staying in Bali. Oh, do you want my home address as well? And also my PIN code and everything else? Amelia. Come on, bro. Price is really just bouncing up and down here. This is unbelievable. Do you miss Australia? Nah, not at all. No. No. It'd be hard for me to miss anywhere, I think, at the moment. Kind of live everywhere. But I do want to settle down somewhere. That's the issue. Somewhere where it's like safe. If one masters all the video uploaded on your YouTube channel, do you think they'll become a better trader? Yes. Yep, definitely. Why you leave Australia? Because I didn't want to pay tax, so I moved to Dubai. Now I'm a Dubai tax resident. Bro, everyone says Japan. Like, you go here, talk to anyone here, and it's just like Japan, Japan. Oh yeah, Japan, Japan. I'm like, but why? Right? This is true about long hair. Long hair, long dick. Do you recommend trading a single pair in a single day? Yeah, if you get really good at mastering like one pair, that's really good, bro. Like, it's one of the best things you can do. Wow, look at NQ. Long hair, long dick. Gold, this is like a torture, you know, medieval torture method. Just watching gold like this. Still feel wild. Yeah, I want to go to Switzerland bad. I'll be in Switzerland right now. The only thing that's holding me back is that I don't have a girlfriend. Because I feel like it's like girlfriendy. It's too like pretty to go solo. Yeah, Doc, that's why that's the only thing I said about Japan. I'm like, man, for snowboarding it'd be sick. Seeing a lot of your content on YouTube. Explain where we're all. Thank you. Yeah, man, we're waiting for Price to kind of give us an opportunity here. It is a little bit like, you know, those ancient Chinese, like, you know, they put a water drop on your forehead. It's like a drop every like 5 seconds. And then after like 2 days, you're like, ah. That's kind of like what watching gold's like right now. Are you operating under fixed 1% risk? Absolutely not. That's the gayest shit. Like anyone that's all the like, dude, 1% risk. It's like, just try, like, you got to chill out. You know what I mean? If you're a scalper, you've got to just chill out a bit. Yeah. I get so lazy with fucking. I get so lazy with answers these days. You watch one of my old streams from a year ago, someone would say something, be like, "Look, bro," and I'd spit like so many bars. Maybe the reason is because I don't think people ever really. If someone's like, "Hey, bro, how do I do this?" and I fully explain it, I don't feel like people. I don't even know what I'm saying. Hence, your last name's Trades. Dog water price action, bro. It's actually dog water price action. Daniel, I'm from Ethiopia. Let's check you out. Let's make sure that's true. Because I don't like liars. Hey, you are from Ethiopia, my brother. Yes, sir. Look at you slick little devil. Alright, I see how it is. Very good. You trading CPR tomorrow? Damn, I might full margin a few accounts, try and get them over the line. That's about it. Yeah, I might do that. How much do you have to make per month to live a decent life in Dubai? Probably 10K. 10K maybe. I would highly suggest again. So, I mean, it depends what you want out of, like what type of life you want to live. When people say it's to me, I always say the same thing. I'm like, why do you want to live there? I'm not saying you shouldn't, but like, why do you want to live there? Does Forex Factory work for you? Let's have a look. Yeah, it looks all normal here. From Iran? Oh, blessings to you, my G. Got one of my other mates over in Iran as well right now. Hopefully you're all good. Hopefully you're doing all right, man. $10K in Dubai versus no tax plus 5K in Bali. Bali for sure. You also live in Dubai. My monthly expenses are 3K dirham. That's a load of shit. Where the fuck do you live? In the desert? Like literally in the desert, eating like crickets and shit. My daily expenses are like 3K dirham in fucking Dubai. But that's why I said, what life do you want to live? Because you can live like a really low income, like a really like just stock standard life in Dubai in like a lower income area. But then it's like, well, why are you even in Dubai then? Go somewhere where it's cheaper and better, like cooler. Because when most people say, hey man, I want to move to Dubai, they're thinking about Dubai as like this flashy city in the, you know, Dubai, not the other side of Dubai. Like last night we went out and there was me and a couple mates, and it was like 3 chicks. And we're getting some drinks and some food or whatever, and the bill came. I was like, I'll get it. Big dog. And it was like fucking $250 or something. Like it's just like, what the flip? If this was Dubai, that would 100% have been like 2,500. Oh my God, this is crazy gold. The frick? This is actually crazy. Do you ever consider the wicks as your levels? No. Yeah, never consider the wicks as the levels. There's always the bodies. Yeah. That's very important. Yeah, it's a good question. Check this song, Mr. Yang at the door. Nah, I can't do it, bro. Shot me a new Rolex. Yeah, you don't think we'll get a breakout before New York? Maybe. Yeah, maybe. We could like fake out or at least give it a little stab, but we could be a part of that stab and then it come back in and then break out in New York. Yo, what's good, John? Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream as well, please. Please help me feed my family and thumb up the video. Wait, am I tripping out? Oh, I just realized my top step chart isn't actually even moving. Oh, maybe they fully nerfed me. Oh, there it is. Fuck. Okay, it's just glitching. I'm an island boy. How do you approach risk management if not fixed percentage? How do you go ahead about sizing trades? I mean, yeah, I just kind of do it in my head, like around about figures. I kind of know, like when I enter a trade, how much I'm going to be risking and how much I'm going to be getting rewarded. But I never like, it's super strict. I don't think being super strict in trading is like good for your psychology. I think, you know, obviously you want to know how much you're risking and how much you're going to get out of it, but don't treat it like a robot. Like be a human. Be a human. I ran a webinar not that long ago, and one of the biggest components in it is called, it's not that serious, bro. Like the less serious you can take trading whilst also being a professional. It's like this weird, it's this weird concoction that works really well in trading. The kids these days call it retard maxing. It works in trading. Do you also earn from YouTube? Yeah, I do. I mean, if I turned on ads for live streams, I would actually make like an alright amount of money from YouTube. Can you freestyle for us? Yeah, give me a topic. Is this a fake Daniel Holmes account, brother? Alright, there's a freaking 30 closure. There is the 30 closure. I'm not stopping until we get a breakout, a trade here, man. I don't care if I have to stay here till Armageddon. 30-minute time frame. Looks beautiful. Really nice price action here. Sells below. Don't like Apex on top, all good. Bottom. I'm going to buy funded next. The discount code is you're broke. You're poor. That's what it is. If you want a discount code, then why don't you just say who gives a shit about funded next and go with like Apex where they have 90% off and stuff. Silver, let's have a look at silver. Oh wow, silver. Look at my spread on silver, it's so crazy, bro. Yeah, even that breakout's kind of sketchy anyway. What does silver look like on a Wanda? That's not too bad. But yeah, I'm personally not interested in this silver one. I'd be interested if one of you guys take it. My unmatched perspicacity coupled with my sheer indefatigability makes me a feared opponent in any realm of human endeavor. Fuck me. Do you ever notice that AI is influencing the markets? No. And even if it is, we'll just capitalize on it. Because when you say influence in the markets, you got to realize that that just means that the bar's moving up or down. Like, it's fine. We'll just press buy when it moves up. That's the thing. When you look at a chart for so long and you get so invested in it, you forget that it's literally just a bar moving up and down. No, dude, the manipulation, the philipidation, and the... Oh yeah, cool. So all of that is just going to make it go up or down. All good. No, but it is that simple, Em. That's the thing. Like, it really is. My Bugatti. Sneeko. Can you share the Apex link? Go on the toilet. Hey bro, use Apex. Just Google it. Can you share the Google link? Wow, gold's moving back up. Thank you for all the videos. Thank you, bro. No, I don't play cricket or anything. Oh, Frankie. Okay, awesome. Yes, sir. Beautiful. You still running props? Yep. I'm doing really well with Apex prop at the moment. I did 3K on them today. On them. I kind of wish I stacked a bunch of their accounts, to be honest. Maybe that's what I'm going to do this year. I think I've had 20 green days and 1 red day with this Apex account. Isn't that bananas? gonna ask for my shit. Fellow Aussie, what's good? What's good? When are you returning to Dubai? Bro, honestly, I don't even know. I literally don't know. Yeah, I don't know, man. I actually don't know. Damn, is the internet being weird? Why is this happening? His PA is peak. Yo, Wilson, what's up, brother? What's good? No, I have to go back, Jack. I mean, if I don't, I guess I start to forfeit my residency and stuff, I believe. But I got plenty of time. I got plenty of time. Was that your sister that you brought the Merc for? Yeah, brought my sister that Mercedes. Yes. Wasn't having the best day, but you helped. I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad to hear I helped somehow. W internet. Are we gonna get a breakout with this candle gold? Could the unthinkable actually happen? Look at this, you guys. Look at all this green. Green. And today, you can't see because look, this shows yesterday. But today I'm up 3,000 on this account as well. I mean, I guess I can just show you. 71 live account. Yes, sir. Live account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, plus today, 19. 19 green days with 1 red. No, dude, trading's a scam. How old are you? 35. How was meeting Seamus? Oh, yeah, no, I'm mates with Seamus. I met Seamus in Dubai. Yeah, he's a cool cat. I miss your daily trade. Yeah, I don't do dailies anymore, but it's good to be here. I imagine she fakes out after this. Yeah, possibly. Definitely. Unk, yeah, I'm mega unk. I'm like great grand unk or whatever. Thanks, Allison. Yeah, Bali's good. Click sell. See ya, Ashwagandha. Hey, you guys on YouTube, drop a thumbs up for the stream if you're here. If you're literally on the stream, drop a thumbs up. If we all do it at once, we could shift the tectonic plates. Wait till you hit 40? Fuck. Oh. Gaslighting me. All right, man, we've got 5 minutes to break out gold. Come on, man. Do something. Do something interesting. Yeah, it's so funny because I took a $2,500 payout today on this prop firm as well, and then today just filled it back up. You can see here 3K for today. No. Oh, NQ. How to stop being fuck out? Wait, what? Oh, fake out. I mean, we'll see when things present. There's a couple of clues, but you can never really truly know, but there's definitely clues. Not in this case, T-Bird, because the market's just moving up and down anyway, so we'll see how it breaks out, if it breaks out. What was that trade? It was an NQ sell, I'll show you. It was an NQ sell right here. This morning, sold down here. Impulse, it looked right on the 30. I think it was here on 30. Damn, NQ is fucking melting. Holy shit. Could we have some volume in the market? Top 3 best prop firms. Top Step. That's all I know. I don't know much. I'm sure other people in the chat could help you. I'm using Apex at the moment. I don't think they're that... Like, I think trailing drawdown sucks. Apex is really good once you're funded and you've got a buffer on the funded. Then it's really good. But to get to that point is really hard. Please review this chart. No, that looks so sketchy, bro. I can't just click some random link. Got 1 minute here, and gold is still... It still just can't do it. This is crazy, bro. What does the 1 minute look like? Just sideways. Missing the sound effects, same. Bro, why you hate FTMO? Because why the fuck would I pay like 400 USD for a 100K account when I could get the same account for like 20 bucks from Apex? Like, it makes no sense. And I'm pretty sure FTMO does 2 phases as well. And if they don't, the 1 phase is like even more expensive. Like, the only people that are buying FTMO and shit still are like people that don't know what's out there. Do you prefer futures or Forex? Yeah, I don't discriminate at all, really. Yeah, I'm easy for both. Yeah. How many funded are you and how manage them together? You just got to trade them, bro. There's nothing I can tell you that you don't already know. Wow. Crazy. Yeah, obviously NQ is very too extended here. Are we going to get a breakout, you guys, or is it not going to do it till London, till New York? I mean, it's still only 45 minutes into London Open. It is still only 45 minutes in.
Do you have any relationship with your father?
What's that? What's a father?
Oh, I love the Trump freaking deep fakes. Stole that shit. Should we, do we hang out to see if it breaks out? Or do we just say gold? I don't know if you're going to do it. I'll give it one more candle, see if we can get a breakout in this next candle. I sold at 5,000. Oh, you actually did. Fuck. Oh, man. What are we gonna do? Yeah, FTMO's dead, bro. This simple breakout strategy. Pleasure is pleasure Bali trader. What do you guys think, man? Do we wait for a breakout? Or at least to see if one happens? And Q's still falling off the map. The thing is, I'll end the stream and then it will just fucking massively break out. Love you too. Are you not tempted to go fishing other trading areas, Forex, crypto? Why only stick to current pool? Stick to your current pool? Because the reality is, like that, unfortunately that analogy doesn't work. It's not a good analogy, I would say, because it takes time. Like, it's not just swimming in a pool, it's like learning the way a market moves. And if you spend a bunch of time trading a particular asset, you're going to get a bit of a pulse, or a good pulse, on how it moves. So you can become quite familiar with it. But then there's the other danger of adding too many things in. Then you're kind of always on the search for a trade, and that's not good for your brain either. As a beginner to your strategy, which video is the best place to start? Just any of my YouTube ones, yeah. Any of my YouTube ones, full breakdowns of like a simple version of the breakout. It doesn't have to be trade at the session opens, no. It's just you want to trade around those times because that's typically when high volume comes into the market. Once it breaks out and you place your order, how long you hold your order for? I mean, I cancel it around 6 minutes before the candle closure. If it doesn't trigger the order in that time, then cancel it. Any of you guys that want to learn the strategy and the system in more detail, you go over to danielholmestrades.com. Here's a link, I'll post in the thing. And you can submit an application on either working with me one-on-one in mentoring, right? Submit an application here. Or we have lower tier stuff where you can get access to the community, the daily live streams, get help by the other coaches, and also get the course material as well. Yeah, I'll put it on TikTok as well. Wow, I haven't seen consolidation like this for a while, man. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oil's pushing up. We might as well, yeah, once it gets to the bottom, buy. Once it gets to the top, sell, buy, and just bounce it like a freaking cricket, like a ping pong ball. Oh, for Apex, which account? Don't use the the end of day drawdown one or whatever it says, the EOD. Don't use that one. It's more expensive and it's not even worth it. Young, yeah, I was about to say Ty's just creaming in his pants right now. Yes. Nah, it's a bit early for that. Like you should still get some moves before CPR. Like, yeah, NQ's falling off the map. If you this tells me that you didn't actually finish the free course, because if you did at the end, you would be prompted with how to upgrade if you wanted to. See ya, Ashwa. Ashwizzle. Hello, Jack Paul. What do we got? What's the time? Yeah, it's my last candle. This is also going to be an hour closure. If I can't get anything happening here, then it's becoming too painful. It's just becoming too painful at this point. China. You went to the moon, proved the earth is flat. Daily chat. Is this a Perso account, Ty? Dub. Oh yeah, nice brother, awesome. Thoughts on Top Step? Will you get back in? Nah, they won't let me back in, definitely not. That's crazy that they have a accidental hedging alert. Bro! They're acknowledging that they cooked people. I've already made like fucking, you know, a documentary about them, calling them scammers, so they're not going to give me anything, but that's just that's so fucked. Okay, I'll give you the Discord link. Invite to server. Here it is in the chat. Yeah, man, that's bananas that they have that alert now. Wow. So they could at least let me withdraw this 25k. You dogs. Abdul. Stream is ending soon. Is it often you go a couple days streaks of no trades at all? Oh, it's very rare. I did it last week. Last week there was fucking not that many setups, man. And last week there was 2 days where I didn't take a trade, I think. Yeah. Think about what you just said there, sucker tui. Sucker tui, yo. Think of what you just said, my G. You answered your own question. Nah, no New York, my G. Give it 2 more candles and it will break. Fuck, man. Yo, Danny P. Ao nakatuyo. Ao hangio. Fucking hiding when we get home. You only trade A plus setups or have a couple nuances. Oh, there's so many nuances, Maji. Yeah, so many, man. No, I won't trade New York later. Probably not. You kicked me out of your masterclass a couple of weeks ago. Want to apologize. I was misbehaving. Genuinely wanted to catch a good... Oh, violation. Here we go. This should be good. Flagged violent and criminal behavior. Yo! Can a brother just live? What the fuck is violent? Hey, you guys on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube right now. If you want to come over to YouTube, same name, Daniel Holmes Trades, and we can continue the stream there. I'm going to end this one on Tiki. Love ya. I'll see you there now. Come over. I mean, TikTok, bruh. What's wrong with you guys? It's so much better though. I can read the chat so much easier now. All right, man. Come on, Gold. Give us something, man. We deserve it. What a joker. 70K raw. This is 70K personal. I started at 5K in November. The whole goal was to grow it from 5K to 100. Currently, I hit 70K this week. Crazy, man. What helps you is simply entering a trade without overthinking it, knowing that the worst thing that can happen is you lose a trade. No, I don't want to lose. Somebody right now just got their legs blown off and they're just chilling, and you're crying because you lost a prop firm challenge trade. You know what I mean? So it's like, think about what's worse that can happen. Nothing. Can I message you on Insta about surgery stuff? Yes, 100% Moodgy. Yeah, hit me up. You'll shout when you get to 100. Yeah, definitely. I mean, if I were to somehow, I kind of don't want to because I'm doing it like, I was going to say if I get there while you guys are here, definitely. But I don't want to rush it. I want to just like show that you can grow it in a mature way without like full margin in it and shit. Suki 2. Suki 2. 1K to 1 million, then 1 million to 1 billion. Congrats on the balance. Thank you, bro. How do you size up when starting from 5K? Just as the account grows, so does the size. I'll just put on a bit more size as it grows. 5K to 70K in 6 months. That's really impressive. To be honest, bro, there was a lot of periods there where I didn't trade it too much, but yeah, that's right. Yep, it's been good. No deposit in additional funds. This is just I put in 5K to start with, and then just grew that bitch. Stole that shit. All right, there's an hour 30 and 15 closure. I got one more candle, man. If we can't break out in this one next candle, I'm done, bro. I'm quitting trading. We've got one more candle. One more, man. Because I'm going to start getting bored and just taking some bullshit board trade soon. And I don't want to do that. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream. How many hours do you stay on the charts per day? Like minimal, bro. Not much at all. Not much at all. How did your risk management grow as the account grew? Just same way I would before. Just trade. Yeah, it depends what you mean by risk management. That's such a broad statement. Like, Yeah, exactly, Ty. Yeah, I had the account going for so long, but I just never traded it because I was doing top step bangers. Yeah, so do we, Rodriguez. Yeah, that we. I mean, to be fair, the last couple of months, London's been a bit better than usual. But this is like standard London behavior, what we're seeing right now. Yeah, I know, that's crazy, John. The consolidation range is casually 300 bands. Yeah, 300 pips. That's so crazy, man. In normal market conditions, like a year ago or 2 years ago even, that would be 30 pips. Back in my day. I'm keen to see you swing trade this system. Yeah, I've swing traded the system for sure. Plenty. Or intraday, based on the 4 hour and stuff. At the end of the day, the system that I teach my guys and girls, obviously we're like scalpers, so we show up on the market and like scalp in and out of the trade within a couple minutes. But the idea is read candlesticks. So if you can read candlesticks on these mid-frame time frames, there's no reason you can't read them candlesticks in the higher time frames and go for swings. Yeah, it's definitely doable. It's just not something I teach because it's not something I really do that often. Yeah, that's crazy, Ty. No, I don't trade based on a set percentage. Nah, not at all. Not at all. NQ. Wow. You don't consider it? Yeah, I do. I do. That's the issue. Oh, but if it did, then I'd have to wait again. Wait party. You guys, you can see the levels I'm looking at here. Buys above here, sells below here. This is too painful. My neck's hurting. Love you guys. Appreciate you for showing up. And I'll catch up with you next week. Anybody that wants to work closer together, you head over to danielholmestrades.com. But if not, I'll see you guys on the stream next week, and I'll see you guys in the mentorship for the streams tomorrow. Thanks, gang. Appreciate ya. Love ya. Have a good day, night. See you, Queen.